Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can fix if our Wi-Fi icon not appear on our taskbar, Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So I will show you some methods that you can follow. So let me start with the video. So first we need to do troubleshoot of Wi-Fi. So go in the search and search for troubleshoot settings. Under the troubleshoot setting we need to select that other troubleshoots. Here we need to select that network and internet. Just run it and it will be troubleshoot your internet connection. In my case, my connected it's okay, connection is okay. If your adapter not detect, so maybe here you can see the option called enable Wi-Fi adapter, so you need to enable it. Okay, so I don't use the Wi-Fi, I use the cable connection. Okay, so if you are using the Wi-Fi adapter, then maybe you have seen that option enable the Wi-Fi adapter, you need to enable it. The second method is, okay, so we need to go in control panel, search for control panels here. Okay, and make sure it is view by categories and go to the network and internet. Here we need to go in the network and sharing center and go to the change adapter settings. Okay, we need to go in there, change adapter settings. So this window will be open. Now my internet connected with cable. So here my Wi-Fi. So if maybe it is disable like this, so you need to enable it. Okay, or if it is enabled, then you need to first make disable and then enable it. Okay, now you can check your Wi-Fi icon. Okay, the second method is go to the device manager and here go to the view and make sure you show the hidden device, and here we need to go network adapter. Okay, so we have that my adapter is TP-Link wireless USB adapter. Okay, so you just right click on it, or you can update the drivers. Okay, or go to the properties, go to the drivers, and you can update from here also. And make sure if it is rollback drivers updated, you can select the, if it is this option is enabled on your property tab, you need to click on it and roll back your drivers. Okay, and just click on OK, and also update your drivers from here. It is successfully updated, just close it. Okay, okay, so now we have the second method. Go to the settings and go to the network and internet setting, go to the advanced network settings, and here we have option network reset the network now, and you can restart your PC. Now you can check your Wi-Fi's show your Wi-Fi icon will be enabled. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.